Ordering is fast and easy with your pills delivered to your door in an unmarked package.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
What's going on?
So what happened to you?
Nothing. I'm okay.
Did you go back to the school?
No, I didn't. I just had to get out of that place, man, you know.
Download and sign up for DraftKings Sportsbook, the new app with thousands of ways to bet. And get access to our exclusive offer today. You heard right, sports fans. For a limited time, you can unlock our exclusive offer. DraftKings Sportsbook is giving all new bettors an exclusive offer when they download the app and sign up today. Don't wait. Download the app and sign up today.
You're watching the DraftKings Sportsbook Report, and I'm Pat Mayo.
And I'm Reed Fowler.
As we said before the break, I agreed to show my non-betting co-host just how easy and safe it is to wager online with DraftKings Sportsbook, the new, exciting betting app.
Okay, so I downloaded the app and signed up. What's next?
Now you go to the deposit page and select the amount that you want to bet with. So let's start with $100, and you can use PayPal, a credit card, and a direct bank transfer. What are you waiting for?
I don't know about this. A lot of these online betting sites are located in other countries, I've heard, and can be pretty unreliable and pretty sketchy.
And they were written out for him by the White House, the subject of our investigation, and he got away with it. And I think that's led him to...
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Raise money from Trump's own supporters to build the wall, and then they steal it. And then Trump pardons him for stealing money from his own people. And this is the guy refusing.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Now the forecast with NBC 10 First Alert meteorologist Brittany Ship.
Now you're breaking my heart, baby, you're playing.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.